Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Soraya. So this painting I absolutely love. It's a little bit of an older one, and at the time that I painted it, I thought that having a calm sky would complement it really well. But I decided to change it up and make the sky a little bit more dramatic, and this is the result. It's very simple. I show you exactly what I do, so keep watching. So I'm starting off with this painting, and I think I'd like to do something with the sky. It seems to be very calm for what is happening in the body of the painting. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. So if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I love to create my skies with a sponge, and no exception here. It's just a regular kitchen sponge, nothing special. The colors I used are Artist Loft Titanium White, Pebeo Studio Paints Gray, and Amsterdam Light Blue. Now the sky was already very light, so I had to add a bit of a dark color so that I had some kind of a base to work with. Once I had that down, I just kept adding the white and light blue to get it to the coloring that I wanted. I did not clean my sponge in between, I just kept adding the colors on top of it, and I knew I wanted the overall effect to be very light, and that's what I was working towards. As I'm working, I'm making sure to move it around. Because of the shape of the sponge, you don't want to have any hard lines there. I work with acrylic paints, and there's not a lot of time until it dries. It dries very quickly, and so need to blend very quickly and keep adding color on top of color. I did not add any matte medium. This is paint straight out of the tube. I have up-close images near the end, so keep watching for those. You can see a lot more detail there. I have lots of information in my description area, as well as a link to my Amazon shop, so be sure to check it out. is, and I think it looks great now. It just makes a lot more sense for the painting. There's a lot happening right here in this beautiful part, and it was very plain. I think it was just too plain. I still kept a lot of the background of the sky, but just added a little bit of dramatic clouds, which I think works really well with this painting. So happy that I did this. What do you think? Let me know. Click on the link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.